All right, so today we have a clogged drain line. Happens a lot. Now, unfortunately, in this condo, the drain is damaging the property below. So lack of maintenance can cause a big problem if it damages someone else's property. Anyway, we're gonna flush this drain line and get it taken care of for this customer. Let's go. Okay, so what we have to do now is get this nitrogen. It has enough pressure to blow it from the inside out. So let's go ahead and get that in there. All right, let me show you what we have. So on these apartment style units, this is an Apollo unit, the drain is right there. So you can take your hand and you can feel until you find the drain, and there's a hole right there. There's a backup one that's a little bit raised, and then there's the primary one. All right, there's the primary one, so there should be two. All right, let's flush this out. All right, there's the backup. There's the primary, and it looks like we may need to flush it a little bit better. All right, now we can see it's draining really well. Let's flush the backup one a little better. All right, so I got the drain flushed, but the unit is actually not coming on at all. The drain switch was tripped, so I just kind of assumed because it was such an obvious thing, but we're gonna have to go ahead and get our meter out and see what's going on with this unit. All right, on these Apollo units, there's a 115. You can see the whip coming in here, and there's the power right here. So we're gonna test that and see if we have power on this unit. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, so we have power there. All right, so we actually don't have 24 volts. So we're gonna have to check this transformer out here, and this is a really old unit. Well, it was a bad transformer, and we're gonna get that taken care of. I'm also gonna take a photo of the condenser and everything. Oh, look at that. I always like these nature, they're like little nature walks sometimes, some of these jobs. All right, let's find the condenser, make sure we get photos of everything and the circuit breaker. All right, now all we have to do is find number 5. All right, there we go. Let's see. Sometimes they're numbered, like if you look there. All right, there it is, unit number 5. Look at how old it is. Man, that thing has lasted. All right, let's see where the model number is. And no model number, no problem. We can get the tonnage and everything off of the compressor. All right, so I'm gonna end the recording on this one because I gotta get it done, and it's hard to get it done while filming. So bad transformer on this one, old Apollo unit from the early 90s. Thanks for watching. On to the next one.